Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy a Kindle book on Amazon. Now, here's the step-by-step process on how to get a Kindle book on Amazon. The first thing to do is to open the Amazon web app at amazon.com and log into your account using your account credentials. Once you're done, once you're logged in, head over to the top left corner of your screen and click on All. And you see all the categories presented to you: bestsellers, new releases, movers and shakers, and then you have digital content and devices, Amazon Luna, Prime Video, Amazon Music, Echo and Alexa, Fire tablets, Fire TV, and then you have Kindle e-readers and books. That's where we want to click on, so click on Kindle e-readers and books. Now, in the Kindle store, which we have here, on the Kindle store, under Kindle store category, go ahead and click on Kindle books. So browse through the Kindle store or enter the title or author of the book you want to purchase in the search bar that will be provided for you. So now you have a couple of books in here. So go ahead and search. And in case you don't find what you're looking for, just head over to the search bar and search for the specific author or the title of the book. Then click on the book that you want. Let's say I want this book. So just go ahead and click on the book. And then it's going to open you, or it's going to take you to the book details page. On the book details page, review the description, customer reviews, and other relevant information to ensure it's the right book. Then, once you're done, click on Buy Now with one click button at the far right corner of the screen. Then, if you do not see this option, just go ahead and click on Add to Cart instead. Then, once you do that, proceed to checkout. Then, if prompted, which we have here, go ahead and choose your preferred payment method and ensure your Kindle device is selected as the delivery option. So over here, enter your payment method. If you have gift card or promotional code, go ahead and put that in. And once you do that, you fill out all of those details, then you'll be able to proceed to the next step. Now, review your order details and confirm everything is correct. Then once you're done, click on Place Your Order to complete the purchase. After purchasing, the book will be delivered to your Kindle device or app. So open your Kindle device or app to start reading your new book. Make sure your Kindle device is connected to Wi-Fi to receive the downloaded book. And you can also purchase Kindle books using the Amazon mobile app following similar steps. That's it. You've successfully bought a Kindle book on Amazon. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.